Guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you some life and tech tricks and facts. We know that using Ctrl Alt and Delete we get access to the task manager, but there is also another way through which we get direct access to the task manager using Ctrl Shift and Escape. If you are a student, then you may probably get essays from your school in which you do not want to spoil your head. Obviously, you search about it on Google, but do you know that there is another website called Google Scholar, which is specially made for the student for better results? Now, this is a trick. If you want to book your plane tickets at lower prices, then you should use incognito mode of your browser, as when you search from your normal mode and visited a page many times, they keep increasing their prices. But if you use incognito mode, then your trace, cookies, whatever, are not being tracked. So you will get constant price for the tickets. Smart, huh? In case of emergency, if you have only 3% battery left in your phone, then you should not switch off your phone, as switching on and off your phone consumes more battery. Instead of that, use airplane mode or flight mode of your phone to save your battery life. Hmm. If you have closed any important tab of your browser in PC, then you can simply restore it by pressing Ctrl Shift and T on your keyboard. So, if you like these facts and trick, then click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.